So now we're going to talk about the foramen, which are the holes or openings for the skull to allow blood supply, nerves through. So we have obviously the eye socket right here. That is called the orbit. And we name several of the foramen according to where they sit according to the orbit. So we have a left and a right. We have our supraorbital foramen, which is an indentation hole right through the eyebrow, right about there. It's actually quite uncomfortable when palpated because you've got nerves and blood flow structures coming through. On the maxilla, right underneath the cheekbone area, right about here, is the infraorbital foramen. So we have supraorbital, orbit, infraorbital foramen, left and right. Right here, we have the mental foramen. So left and right. We have what's known as the external acoustic meatus, which is your ear hole, obviously right through here. We cannot palpate the internal acoustic meatus because we would have to decrown him, remove the brain, and go from the inside. Now, there is one more very important foramen that we cannot palpate, which is where the brainstem goes up into the skull, and that's the foramen magnum. That's where the spinal cord becomes the brainstem and goes up into the skull. Go ahead, stop.